Okay, you guys are going to do a review on the Wahl Home Haircutting Kit. Okay, so this is a pretty elaborate kit. Okay, so it comes with a lot of stuff. I've had it for, I bet you, 16, 17 years. A long time. I cut my own hair with it, and it works great. I mean, you got to look after stuff and make sure everything runs good and it's clean and everything else. Okay, all right, so start with a razor. It comes with a protector here. Now, got to make sure you oil the blade as soon as you get it and get some oil on there and all the slides underneath here like that and get that oiled up. And it comes with Wahl oil already. This is an extra oil because I did run out. Now, this here has an adjustment here. You can go a long cut and a short cut here if you want. So you just move that up and down and you can see how the blade moves up and down there. Okay, now there's an adjustment there, which is pretty cool because now you got a whole bunch of adjustments here. You've got your left taper, your right taper. You got a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think there's a seven, and an 8. Okay. Now that all goes by inches too, and it'll show you what the inches and millimeters are on all those. I won't go into that. Comes with the scissors, some hair clips to hold longer hair up if you need to. But it does come with, I think, 3 of these combs. I think we've lost one or borrowed one from somewhere over the years. But let's plug this thing in. It does come with 6.5 feet of cord. So, you can go quite a ways from where you're at and go from there. Now, let's turn this on. So look at that. It doesn't move the blade around or nothing. And that's how old this machine is, right? Okay, so if you throw a little oil on here, now I haven't done it yet. I wanted you guys to see if you could hear the difference in the oil being on here, okay? All right, let's... Now you see how that smoothed that out? Just a touch bit smoother. Okay, so you get that on there. You put it on before you start. You put it on after you're done. And I'll tell you what, that blade will always stay sharp because it is similar to a honing oil too, right? So these blades, if they're touching themselves, they'll sharpen themselves too. I mean, after a while, you're going to have to get them sharpened or change the blades out. But, you change this up, put this up on top, and it makes a little more noise because I think you're getting the vibration from these teeth up here that rattle a little more. See, now watch this. Pretty cool, eh? I'll tell you what, you won't go wrong with a Wahl. Hey, make sure you guys subscribe and like and all that kind of good stuff. I've got videos coming out all the time. I got a lot of stuff that I want to show you guys, and it's a good product, and so on and so forth. You guys take care out there.